Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So after a long time I'm doing voiceover in any of my video. So today we are going to draw a Diwali drawing which will be going to be very easy, and I am using color pencils and some sketch pens or markers in this video. It will be very easy, you can really easily draw it. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this short intro.
Looking for answers, slipping through the ocean sand. Wish you can take me back.
So I know you all were waiting for this video very eagerly. Anyways, I'm not going to instruct you further in this video because it has very easy steps. So enjoy the time lapse.
Where it all began. Push me further, so I couldn't close inside. Oh, bands. No, 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 no. 10 feet over, say I'm always up too high. Wish you could take me back. You're standing there with arms wide open. Where it all began.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
So that's it for today guys, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and also happy Diwali to all. Bye.
So can we just slow